everybody. My name is Jennifer Palmer, and this is my introduction. For my first field placement, it was at a local public health facility that catered to individuals in Philadelphia who have an opioid addiction, as well as individuals who are in the commercial sex worker industry. So the type of services that they provided was medication-assisted opioid treatment, as well as safer injection kits for folks who were still actively using, as well as providing safer sex kits as well. Currently, my job title is a case manager. I am a case manager at a family emergency shelter in Philadelphia. My experience working with older adults, I have some experience in the past. I want to say maybe 9-10 years ago. I used to help individuals in Philadelphia and in Pennsylvania apply for various welfare benefits such as PACE and PACE-Net, as well as SNAP benefits. So that is the realm of my experience working with the older population. In my field placement currently and last year, I have no interaction with the older community. On a personal level, my grandparents, they have passed since, but previously when they were still around, I was very close with my grandparents. My grandparents had quite a few ailments, so I was always around and trying to help them and cater to them. My grandfather started to have dementia, so that was definitely an experience. It's interesting to be around someone you've known all your life, and at some point they don't even recognize or know who you are. So that was definitely a huge experience for me. Any burning questions I have about working with older adults? I would just like to know how to help the community in regards to aging in place. I know that's a big push, and I'm a huge advocate of trying to age in place, not placing people in nursing homes if it's not needed. So my question would be how to best support individuals to age in place as a social worker. Also, another question I would like to have answered is how to support folks who are towards the end of life. So individuals who are in hospice care, that is something that I am interested in learning more about. I hope everyone have a great semester and take care.